Now here's a low miler just in at Unique, especially in classics. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe with the RS package. One owner, clean Carfax. He bought it brand new and only 852 miles on it right now. As you can see, black paint, black interior, so we have black on black. And then one of the options that was chosen when this was ordered would have been the additional gray metallic stripe package. As you can see, there it is. And then of course, if you notice from the first shot when I started, the 20-inch polished wheels were also an additional option on top of what this car would have came with standard. I want to show you the front fascia. Obviously the car has not been driven a whole lot. He kept it stored. Maybe 100 or 2 miles in the summers. Started up in storage. Otherwise, kept under a cover that is included in the trunk. You can see everything that will go with this car in the still pictures. You can see the underside of the car, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this one. Now, of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter, 426 horsepower Chevrolet V8 that is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, your options that are going to come standard: power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and then all the amenities and the goodies that you're going to get on the interior. And again, you can see the window sticker. I did leave the glove box open. There's paperwork that will go with this, the original paperwork. There is all the original manuals. There's also the build data sheet that would have went with this car when it was going down the line at Chevrolet. Any of the plastic, any of the coverings were saved and put in a box. There's also the die-cast car of a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS, as well as a t-shirt still in the wrapper. And you can see all those in the still pictures. Now, one thing I want to point out back here, he had one little mishap with the utensil in his garage or shed where it was stored, and I'm trying to get it to show up for you here. It caught along here, and you can see where there's been a little touch-up right here. You kind of really got to be looking for it to find it. I mean, you can see the luster of this paint, the reflection of the wall behind me, but there is a touch-up spot there I wanted to make you're aware of. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Cargo net was also in the trunk, and like I said, take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the window sticker, exact options, exactly how this was ordered. Both sets of keys are with it, and all the other goodies that come with it are in the still pictures. You'll see those taken pictures in the trunk at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. The big Brembo brakes on this one. 4-wheel disc all the way around, of course. And again, just look at that reflection in the side of this car. So you can tell the paint is in very nice shape yet. Here's our showroom behind me and the lights all the way to the front door. Of course, 2010 marked the 5th generation Camaro, and the return was actually built on GM's Zeta platform. All right, let's take a look at this interior, point out some of the things. It does have the Boston acoustic stereo system to it. Of course, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, steering wheel controls, driver information center. That rally gauge style package you used to see in the old Camaros brought back in the 2010. Again, 6-speed manual transmission. Sorry about the glare there. Headliner in good shape. Take a look at these seats. Man, it doesn't look like they've hardly been sat in. So let's go ahead. We'll fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out Underneath the hood does have a power driver's seat, of course. All right, let's start this up here. Get the keys in, sorry about that. There's your miles, 852. Of course, stereo system's working. Would have dual heated seats, driver and passenger. It's a gauge package, window sticker, all the manuals in the box in the trunk, dash, everything good shape. This one was stored indoors, covered up. Again, that Camaro covers in the trunk. All right. And no modifications done to this one. No modifications to the exhaust, underneath the hood, anything like that. We left the original insignia from House Chevrolet, which is right down the road from us. This car's been in our area the whole time. Like I said, one owner bought it brand new. Nice sounding car. Obviously, it's going to get a little throatier. You get under power and get it out on the road. Nice little rumble coming out of that 6.2. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is. I want to show you this hood liner too. This car's never been driven in the rain. And keep the glare off it from the lights above us. Look at that. Looks like brand new underneath there. As it should with the kind of miles that are on this one. No surprises here, folks. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe with the RS package. 20-inch polished wheels. Gray metallic stripe package. Like I said, a little over 800 miles on this one. One owner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. One more time. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.